Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have an OC&T's passenger train. Check it out. Roll it. Should be coming here in a couple minutes. It's just had to... They're just crossing Franklin Street right now. And also crossing the track too. Because their second track is their passenger and first is their freight. There's the lights. That person at the SU of the truck. Oh, we got a loaded open car in this one. There's the end. Wait till the bells get shut off. There they go. The symbol on that train was OC&T Alco 75 passenger train. That train originates to Rouseville, Pennsylvania, and terminates to Titusville, Pennsylvania, we are at now. All on this Saturday, August 5th, 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. And there's that one whole blast of the horn. Maybe we'll see Tom go by one more time too, huh? As soon as he gets there. Alright, that's gonna be it for these camcord versions for today and for this week for Jeffrey the Train Experts. We'll be back on in a short bit for the live streams. Talk to you later.